Hey Wildcats, it's Phoenix here back with another episode on Wildcat TV. Today we'll be covering Pepple and the Wise Food Drive, bowling team, sports, teacher hidden gift card, Senate talent show, and a special guest appearance from everyone's favorite elf. Stay tuned. Our Women in Sports Empowering group here at school, also known as WISE, has organized a food drive for the people in need. Let's go see what Ms. Pepple has to say about this.
Recently, WISE has had their annual food drive. This program is by the students for the students. Ms. Pepley has some shout outs she wants to give.
Okay, a few weeks ago, Women in Sports Empowerment did a food drive for the Wildcat community. They were concerned about food insecurity and just the SNAP benefit delay, and I'm very grateful that they reached out. They were able to provide a ton of food for families in need here in our community and stock our food pantry. So I want to thank them. If you know of anybody that is struggling, we do have food for families, and if you would like to donate, that's something that you can continue to do. So thank you so much, WISE, for your leadership in our community.
Thanks to everyone who participated, and thanks to the FFA for the overwhelming amounts of food donated to students that helped them over break. I'm Layla, signing off.
Thanks, Ms. Pepple, for all that great information. Another great club we also have here at school is bowling. Off to Annabelle and Jackson for more bowling information.
Hey Wildcats, it's Annabelle Franklin.
And Jackson Mowers.
Jackson, did you know we had a bowling team?
No.
We're gonna go learn more about it.
Hi everybody, this is Stephen Phillips. I am the bowling coach for Blue Springs High School. And just a quick update, we have bowling club on Wednesdays, every Wednesday from 3 to 5 at Lunar Bowl. It is $3 and it's open bowling, so everybody is welcome to join that. And then the ones that are more serious about bowling, we have actual tournaments that we go to. We are going to be traveling to Maryville in a couple weeks, and we also have up in St. Joe. We travel all the way to St. Joe, but our tournament that we host is going to be here at Lunar Bowl. It'll be in the spring, and our ultimate goal is to get good enough at our districts, basically, to wind up bowling in state. So if you guys know anybody that's on the bowling team, reach out and congratulate them about their good places and how good they're doing with their bowling competitions. If you guys have any questions, I am in room 202, and Miss Clark, the media specialist, is in the library. She is also one to reach out to if you guys have any questions. Look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you.
I'm Annabelle Franklin.
And I'm Jackson Mowers.
Now back to you in the studio.
Now that we have information on the bowling team, let's go see what's happening in the winter sports world.
Hey Wildcats, I'm Kira Devine.
And I'm Adriana Rickard, and welcome back to this week's sports update.
We've had one game so far. Had a tough game against Park Hill. They're a really good athletic team. We didn't play very good second half, but our guys are fighting and working hard, and we got 3 really good challenges coming up this weekend against 3 Lincoln schools. And our group's really tough, and I'm excited about us learning and getting better each day as we go. So come out and support us. We got a good group of guys that I think you guys are going to like to watch.
The girls basketball team is off to a 1-1 start. We beat Truman in our opener, and then we had a very good Lee Summit West team come here and beat us. We have 3 games, or actually 4 games in the next 5 days. We play tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday at home, and then we play Monday as well at home. So it would be a good chance to come out and support the girls basketball team if you are around on Monday.
Wrestling season's got off to a good start. Our teams wrestled at Liberty this week, and the girls team had a very close duel against Liberty High School, who was runners-up at the state meet last year, and had a great performance. Our boys team ran into a really tough Liberty squad that is ranked in the top 25 in the nation and 7-time returning state champions in Missouri. We saw some good progress from some kids and made some good strides. Before Christmas, girls will be wrestling at Park Hill on Friday this week, and then next week at Belton, and the boys and girls will have a dual meet against Grain Valley next Wednesday.
That's all for this week, Wildcats. Stay tuned for more sports updates and following episodes. I'm Kira Devine.
And I'm Adriana Rickard.
Back to you in the studio.
Now that winter sports has officially started, I can't wait to see all the progress our athletes have made and what this season holds for them. Now, off to commercial break.
Car trouble. It's frustrating, uncertain, and uncomfortable. When it pops up, Randy's Personal Auto Service will take care of you. We are a family-owned and operated auto repair service in Blue Springs, and we've been helping students and teachers like you for over 30 years. We take care of everything from routine maintenance, engine, AC, and heating repair, to tires, steering, suspension, and alignment. Besides our amazing prices, another thing that separates us is our safe, secured overnight parking that keeps your vehicle safe while we fix you up. So when that frustrating car trouble hits, Randy's Personal Auto Service has your back. Randy's Personal Auto Service, quality service at a quality price. Call 816-224-3217 to schedule your routine maintenance or repair today.
When I used to fail over and over trying to invent things, everyone said I was crazy. Then I invented this Mamma Jamma. Just like this morning when I wanted chicken for breakfast, everyone said I was crazy again. Then I got the new egg white grill from Chick-fil-A. Let's review. Crazy? Not crazy. Crazy? Not crazy.
Chicken for breakfast. It's not as crazy as you'd think. Try the new egg white grill from Chick-fil-A.
Hi guys, welcome to Culver's here in Blue Springs, located on South 7 Highway, where our chicken sandwich got even better. We now have a crispy, spicy, and a grilled option. Come in and try one. Welcome to Delicious.
Your home is your castle. Are pests invading your castle? Let Moxie Pest Control help protect your home from invading armies of pests. We create a moat around your home to protect it from superhighway of pests trying to invade your castle. Get your throne back. Make pests a thing of the past with Moxie Pest Control. See how at killbugsfast.com.
Scout Coffee, just the pick-me-up you need.
A fan favorite local business has finally made their way to downtown Blue Springs. Big Frog, a custom apparel company, is the perfect local business for your personalized t-shirts, hoodies, and more. From one garment to thousands of garments, Big Frog can bring your idea to life with a wide variety of design options to choose from. On weekdays, they're open from 10 to 6 and Saturdays 10 to 2. Come stop by the best t-shirt garment decorator on Main Street, located at 805 West Main Street in Blue Springs. And for more information, check out their website at www.bigfrog.com.
Unite your crew. Custom printed apparel for every team and group. Rods Sports. Check their website, rodsports.com.
Hi, this is Dr. Ryan Dahlquist with Dahlquist Dental, and there's a lot of exciting things that are happening. We incorporate a Photona laser, which allows us to help dentistry in a less painful way. It makes precise cuts. It also allows us to break down collagen and heat up collagen in people's face that we can actually help rejuvenation and facial aesthetics. We can also remove age spots and remove veins. We're just right here off the outer road here in Blue Springs, or come visit us on our website at dahlquistdental.com.
At Country Financial, we protect the things you love. We are locally owned and have helped many students and teachers just like you in the Blue Springs School District over the years. Whether it's protecting your car, your home, or your business, you want an insurance company that puts your needs and your finances first. Call us and you talk to a real person, not an automated 1-800 number. As an A+ rated insurance provider, we will do just that. In addition to our competitive rates, we offer discounts for teachers, students with good grades, police officers, firefighters, and EMTs. Who doesn't like getting the best insurance coverage and saving money? At Country Financial, you can do both. Give us a call today at 816-795-6340 or visit us right off of AA Highway in Green Valley.
Quick announcement for students who are 16 years and older. You guys now have the option to donate blood and save up to 3 lives this year at this year's blood drive on December 10th. Sign up using the QR codes on any of the posters located around school or go see Dr. Klotz in room 230. Teachers, make sure you pay attention to our next segment because you could have the chance to win a lot of money for your classroom. Off to Jack and Emily.
Hey teachers, this is an announcement for you. Next semester there's going to be 2 random episodes that will have this symbol pop up. It could be here, 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 or even in the middle of the screen. If you see it, pause the episode and take a picture with your class and send it to Mr. Marble. It's to enter you into a free raffle for $50 for your classroom. Back to you in the studio.
On December 12th is our school's talent show, and I personally am super excited to watch and see all the Wildcats perform. Off to Helena and Kennedy for more information about it.
Oh my gosh, Helena, those are some really good cartwheels. You are so talented.
Thanks, you should come watch me in the talent show.
Wait, we have a talent show?
Yeah, it's Friday, December 12th at 5:30 p.m. in the PAC.
Okay, but like, do I have to buy a ticket?
You can just pay at the door.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks.
I hope everyone who signed up to participate in the talent show has a great time, and we are super excited to watch. And finally, to wrap up this episode, we have a fun one. We have a special visitor who is almost back in town for this holiday season. Let's go check it out.
One holiday, one elf. In a world where cheer is fading, one elf will rise. He's searching for something more than Christmas, and nothing will prepare him for what he finds. Snowstorms, cheeky pranks, destiny. This holiday will never be the same. Bobby, the elf.
Well, Wildcats, that's all we have for today. Stay tuned for future episodes on upcoming events and dates for the rest of the semester. I'm Phoenix Hughes, and remember, it's a great day to be a Wildcat. Done. Clock it. Did you stop it? Oh. Oh my gosh. Got a little twisted.
Okay, that was really good.